everybody and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Sheena and I'm the owner and founder of Christian Creative Mental. On my channel, I do videos all about Christianity and mental health. If that's something you're interested in seeing more of, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell beside it so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of how to complete a page from one of my Bible journaling prompts, Names of Jesus. So let's go! Y'all, I'm so excited about my new Bible. I have been wanting this Bible for like almost 2 years since they had the rose gold one. So I'm so excited today to be using the new illustrating Bible. And we are going to be looking at John 1:29. The next day, John saw Jesus coming towards him and said, "Here's the Lamb of God who takes away the sins of the world." And we are going to journal on here, Lamb of God. And I've actually decided that I'm going to use some napkins. I haven't used a napkin in a while. This was actually the only napkin that I could find that had a lamb on it, but it actually has 3. It looks like I've used part of this napkin before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the napkin on one of them, kind of free-handed at first, not too close. I really wanted a bigger lamb, but I have like 3 boxes of napkins, and I looked through all of them and I could not find another lamb, so I need to do some napkin shopping and get some more lambs apparently. Now I'm just going to cut out kind of close to the lamb before I separate the plies. And I'm only cutting out first because I just know it'll be easier to cut the napkin away if I cut first before I separate the plies. Okay, now I've got all of it trimmed down. So I'm going to separate it out so that I just have the top ply. This nearly looks like it's only 1 ply, so there we go. And I was thinking to add a little bit more color to the page other than just the lamb. I would add some flowers. I thought these flowers were really pretty and they kind of fit the lamb. I was thinking about using this purple flower up the side here. So I'm going to separate because I only need one of them, and might even just go ahead and leave that butterfly in there as well. This is why I really wanted, this is why I really wanted a bigger lamb, because this Bible page is so much bigger, so I've got more room to take up. And this background is white, so I'm not going to get real crazy trimming close to the flower like I did with the lamb because it's already white. So it'll just bleed into the page. And then, yeah, I'm going to put that flower there, my pretty little lamb here, and I'm going to do my lettering on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and get out my gesso. And you always want to make sure with stuff like this that you are using clear gesso. And you don't want the textured gesso. I got the textured gesso one time and it was horrible. It felt like sandpaper. I absolutely hated it. And I actually forgot to put something behind my page. So excited to use my new Bible, I just totally forgot. Apologize if y'all can hear my dogs. They're a little excited this afternoon, running around and playing. Just gonna get the flower all attached to the page. these stickers. They are from Faith Heirlooms, and these are the Jazzy alphabet stickers. I really like them. I think they're super cute. I'm going to use them today to do my lettering. I'm just going to put Lamb of God on here, and I'm pretty sure that I have enough left over that I can do all of them. I'm going to put it right here on my Bible next to where it says Lamb of God. I'm going to put Lamb and God on here first. Some of my stickers want to stick together. Perfect. There we go. Then I'm just going to use my Tombow calligraphy pen, and I'm going to write the date at the side. This is bad, guys. I have to like stop and think about what the date is. I'm actually going to write the verse and the date. So I'm going to put John 1:29. And then the date is May 14th, 2020. Here we go. So if you liked this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the little bell beside it so that you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.